Hello and welcome back to Vapor Cycles for Sunday Sync number 9. This one is a couple of days late, but with good reason. One particularity of my process is the internal volume of a piece needs to be pretty exact, unlike a vacuum process where pressure smooths out the one side of the piece over a rigid mold regardless of volume. With the previous pieces having underfilling issues, I spent the last couple of weeks working out a more robust method to get reliable results. And well, with all the prep, I managed to get the production only on Sunday morning. Anxious to get the video out on schedule, I demolded the piece early and with resin still unset, I left the surface of it in the mold and pulled the fibers up with it. Yes, not the first time impatience has come back to bite me, but it's hard not to be excited. So today, 2 days later, and with a little bit more curing time, although still way too early, I'm making a video update to show you the results. Needless to say, it turned out well. I have given it a quick sanding and a coat of lacquer, but it didn't need much work at all. Actually, I nicked it a couple of times. You can make that out. Yeah, when cutting off flashing. As you might have seen in early videos, I used a Dremel tool with a diamond blade. And this tends to bite into the piece and wheel itself out of the cut. Yeah, if anyone has some advice on this, I would really appreciate it. Anyway, with this piece done and the process at a good level, it's time to make the second joint. I think I'll go with a head tube, as it was the order of previous versions. Well, until then, have an awesome couple of weeks everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.